Welcome back to Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. With its sleek design, powerful performance, and cutting-edge features, this flagship smartphone is poised to redefine the mobile experience. Let's explore what the Galaxy S25 Ultra has in store for us. A new era of AI integration. One of the most exciting aspects of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is its enhanced AI capabilities. Building upon the success of its predecessor, the S25 Ultra is expected to feature Gemini Nano 2, Google's advanced AI model. This powerful tool will enable the device to offer even more intelligent and personalized features, from improved natural language processing to enhanced photography and video capabilities. Camera perfection. Samsung has always been known for its exceptional camera technology, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. The quad camera setup on the back features a massive 200-megapixel main sensor, ensuring stunning photo quality even in low-light conditions. The telephoto lens has also received a significant upgrade with a 50-megapixel sensor, offering sharper and more detailed zoom-in shots. A brighter display. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's display is set to be even more impressive than before. With a peak brightness of 3000 nits, it will be one of the brightest screens on the market, making it perfect for outdoor use and consuming multimedia content. While the overall design may not deviate significantly from its predecessor, the improved display will undoubtedly enhance the user experience. Powerful performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. This cutting-edge processor offers a significant boost in both CPU and GPU performance, ensuring smooth multitasking and effortless gaming. With its advanced architecture and efficient power management, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will deliver exceptional performance while maintaining a long-lasting battery life. Battery life and charging. While the Galaxy S25 Ultra may not see a physical increase in battery size, Samsung is introducing a new AI-driven battery management system. This intelligent feature will optimize battery usage, extending battery life without compromising performance. However, it's worth noting that the charging speed may remain unchanged, sticking to the same 45W fast charging as previous models. Storage and release date. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be available with UFS 4.1 storage, providing ample space for your apps, photos, and videos. However, there's a possibility that the top-tier model may feature the even faster UFS 5.0 storage, offering even more speed and efficiency. As for the release date and pricing, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to be launched early next year, with a potential launch event in January or February. Due to the more expensive Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, the S25 Ultra may be priced higher than its predecessor, possibly exceeding $1,300 for the base model. Conclusion: the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a truly remarkable smartphone, offering a combination of powerful performance, cutting-edge features, and a stunning display. With its enhanced AI capabilities, improved camera system, and long-lasting battery life, the S25 Ultra is poised to set a new standard for flagship smartphones. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Are you excited about its new features and improvements? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech news and reviews.